Watch till the end for my top
So
5.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika, and in today's video I am gonna test some cheap makeup products from Meesho. Super excited, so without much blabbering, let's just get started with today's video. Before we get started with the makeup, I'm quickly gonna do my skincare with the products that I already have at home, because of course मैंने skincare एकदम नहीं खरीदा, as I told you in the previous haul. Look at how many products I got. I technically forgot that I got a primer as well, so I think I'm gonna use the primer. It's a fake one. It is for 100 rupees, and this is the Huda Beauty Foundation Illuminating Primer Makeup Base. This is water. I do not like this. This is not at all a primer in the first place. More like an aloe vera gel, the same consistency as an aloe vera gel. So yeah, that's how it is. I really hope that this is not gonna mess my skin up, because I'm already breaking out. This is very bad. I'm gonna give this a 3 on 10. Not even 3, a 1 on 10 probably. This is very bad. Never buy this primer. Never buy this primer. It's so bad. Okay, I think this just took off all the skin prep that I did for such a long time, and my skincare is in vain. Let's move on to the foundation. I got two foundations. One is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Second one is the Blue Heaven Waterproof Makeup Foundation with SPF. I have already used this foundation, so do not think that I'm cheating or anything. This is the seal of the product. So I just got it, and I have used this foundation already. And the other foundation that I was talking about, guys, this is a fake Maybelline foundation. Please do not trust this foundation at all with your skin. If you're a sensitive skin person, इससे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर रहना, because it is not good for your skin. Let me just show you guys. So I'm taking one pump of this foundation, and I'll open the seal of this foundation as well. A little bit from this foundation. So this is the Blue Heaven foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me. I will mix both of these foundations. Gonna be such a fail because ये मेरे shade से match नहीं करता. The primer literally sucked, as I said, and I don't know if this matches my shade or not. Like, I don't know camera पे कैसा लग रहा है, but in real life this is definitely not my shade. I do like the Blue Heaven foundation. That is actually very nice. Not bad for a beginner, but then the Maybelline, do not buy it from Meesho. It is not even blending. This is so bad. I need to use some moisturizer over this. This is such a big fail. That is all that I can do with this foundation. The Maybelline one deserves 3 on 10, and Blue Heaven ka is really nice, but I think उसमें ज़्यादा shades नहीं है, so you might not find your shade like I didn't find mine. But it is a good foundation, as in it has sheer coverage, like very sheer coverage, so it doesn't even look like you have worn anything on your face. I'm gonna bake a little and just keep it for some time. I just needed some beautiful brushes in my life, and therefore this entire set for was 220 or something like that, and for 220 I think it's a good steal. इसमें कितने brushes है? 10 brushes for 220, which is like 22 rupees each. The old brushes that I had, those were for like 130 each. That was how expensive the brushes were. This is very affordable, very cheap, so I think you can give these a try. Let's start testing these brushes now. And I think I'm gonna start with the eye look, with some basic eye look, you know. And I got two eyeshadow palettes. One is a very shimmery one, and the other one is all of yours favorite. So this is the first eyeshadow palette that I got. This is from Kiss Beauty, and it has a bunch of shimmer shades only and nothing as such. I do not really like this purchase. So this is green, This is blue and this is golden. Golden is not at all visible. The other eyeshadow palette is one that I have reviewed. I have individually reviewed this palette in another video, so you can check that out already. So I don't think I'm going to repeat the points here in this video, but this is how the palette looks like. A fan brush is used for your highlighter, but I'm just playing around, you know. This is so soft. I'm gonna dip into this shade right over here. This is more like a neutral brown kind of shade. Dipping this brush into my shade and just applying it. Okay, this is quite pigmented and I think the brush is nice as well. It is very soft. Dipping my beautiful brush in the concealer and okay, this is nice. You know, you can use the Maybelline foundation as a concealer because it's like very high coverage and I think it's much better as a concealer. Being an hypocrite and using some glitters. So I got no brow product because I do not need any more brow products in my life. Using this angle brush and taking the brown product, I just like to increase the tail of my brow, and that is how I do my brows. That is just about it. Again, a fake Huda Beauty product. What is up with you, Meesho? This is in the shade 1. The shade's 1 and this is more like a peachy pink shade. Let me swatch it. It is very powdery, chalky, doesn't really feel good. Smells like talcum powder for some reason, like the Pond's ka powder, you know. I think you have to dip 3-4 times. Isse acha hai ki you take the Blue Heaven ka blush. It is called the Blue Heaven Diamond Expression or something like that. So get that one. That is for 84 only. This is another glitter that I got. This is a liquid eyeliner by Mars. This is also not that great. इसका swatch दिख भी नहीं रहा because glitter है ही नहीं इसमें. Can you see? It is just invisible. It is not good again. So eye products में मैंने मेरा पूरा पैसा waste किया है. That is the conclusion. But let's first apply this eyeliner. This is the swatch. I think the eyeliner is nice, not at all bad. Am I gonna use this as a lip liner as well? Of course. उतना ज़्यादा violet भी नहीं है, you know. You can't tell on camera that I'm applying a violet eyeliner, but I think it is fine. Like, it's not bad. This was for 60 rupees only, so for 60 I think it is great. And yeah, I will recommend getting this one. इसका brand शायद ADS या ऐसा कुछ है इसका brand. And yeah, I do like this one a lot. This blue mascara is from a brand called Streetwear. इसका shade है 02 blue and this is how the wand looks like. It looks pretty and let's just apply it. I think this mascara is good, but where is the blue? I mean, the spoolie is blue, but मेरे lashes blue नहीं लग रहे हैं. So I've been clearly scammed again. This one is for 300. Where is the blue? You tell me. I've used blue eyeliners, blue mascaras quite a lot of times to know that this is not how they work. I am literally hating Meesho's makeup now. I hope they come up with good brands and not brands like these at all. And let's move on to the next product. Finally, we are coming to the end of this video, but before that, I think we are left with the lipstick, the highlight and the contour. So when I searched on Meesho, the cheapest contour available was something like this. I mean, I don't know what this is, but ये कुछ refill लगता है. I think the products that are present ना, the pan is already there and ये किसी चीज़ का refill है. This is my contour. I got 2 of these, so let's see how this works. I'm using this brush. Oh my god, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा fallouts है, बहुत ज़्यादा fallouts. Brush is actually very pretty. So if you want to pick something up from this entire haul, pick this and the lipsticks up because the lipsticks are my favorite as well. Okay, this is nice. It's actually nice. Hope this can be blended. Blending all of this out. Some extra powder, you know, because I never thought that this is gonna be so good and so pigmented. I thought this is just a random product that I'm never gonna like, but I think I love this contour a lot, so I'm gonna keep some powder over here. And finally, let's do the lipstick and the highlighter, and that is it. I got a setting spray too, and this also claims to be from Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Matte Fixer Face Spray Prep and Prime Long Lasting. What a big name. I hope it works the same way. And the lipsticks that I got are these, pretty obvious. I'm gonna get these only. So these are the Huda Beauty Red Mini liquid matte lipsticks. They have my heart. The shades are Heartbreaker, Material Girl, Showgirl and Famous. I'm gonna use this one. I just love these lipsticks so much, and because I got these from Meesho, I can recommend you getting these. This was for 168 or something like that if I'm not wrong, and just pick these lipsticks up and you will not, you know, regret. But yeah, if you are a fan of matte lipsticks, only then, because these lipsticks are very drying on your lips and you have to moisturize well before applying this. This will dry up in just 2 seconds. I just love these shades. Back when I started my YouTube channel, you know, 7 months back, I always said this, that I do not like red lipsticks, but I do like red lipsticks now, like the matte ones. I think this was injected in my head that red lipsticks are not good for some reason. Like, who wears red? I think I got manipulated in a way, but I do love red lipsticks now more than nudes sometimes. So yeah, this was one shade, and I think all the shades are pretty similar. This is more like a coral red and this is a bomb red. You can definitely pick this set up. I am in love and I hope you like it too. Only if you are a fan of matte lipsticks, I'm saying this again. Otherwise, do not blame me later on. I left with this setting spray and also some highlighter. I didn't end up getting any highlighter as I showed you in the haul, so I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This brush is so good, so precise. This is the only thing that I've been appreciating in the entire video, but trust me on this, the brushes and the lipsticks are the only good thing that I found in today's video. Also the eyeshadow, of course, but otherwise I had such high expectations and I think Meesho just broke my heart. Finally, this is water. This is not what a setting spray should do. These water droplets are literally over my skin right now, and this is not a setting spray. Wow, this is simply water. Yeah, just don't get this product, guys. I do not like it. I don't like anything in this entire haul, and that is so weird because I love Meesho. I love Meesho's products. Every other day I keep just checking what's happening, what's not happening, and the makeup has completely disappointed me. So let me know what you guys think about this haul. I mean, this review of the previous haul, and I have no idea what exactly to say for the outro because I had such high expectations, and I told you guys that only 3-4 products are going to be bad and others are going to be good, but that didn't end up happening. So if you want to take up anything from this haul, pick this eyeshadow palette for sure, the brush set, the eyeliner, obviously the lipsticks, and the foundation. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and the links of all the products will be down below. Not links, the product codes, so you can check them out. If you want some more hauls or any other kind of videos, do let me know in the comments down below, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.